Meaning of groundswell.
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 Groundswell. Groundswell means a sudden and widespread movement or surge of public opinion or support for a particular idea, cause, or action. It is a term that is often used to describe a grassroots or bottom-up movement that gains momentum and popularity through the actions of ordinary people. The result of a groundswell can be significant and far-reaching, as it has the potential to influence governments, change social norms, and transform entire societies. Examples of groundswells include civil rights movements, environmental activism, and political revolutions. By harnessing the power of collective action, a groundswell can bring about positive change and shape the course of history.